Finally, it's time to render your video into a proper high-definition and readable video format. All you need to do is click Share and choose the Local File option. In the pop-up box, click the Custom Production Settings. I want you to focus only on these two options. It is the MP4 only for 720 pixels and the MP4 only for 1080 pixels. A high-definition content recording is a must for all kinds of videos you want to create. That is why these two are the best options out there. For this tutorial, I'm going with MP4 only for 720 pixels. Moving forward, label your production or project name. Don't forget to choose the destination folder on where you want to save it. Then click Finish. As you can see, a progress bar showed up. Wait for it to finish rendering and you will be notified that your production is complete. Click on Open Production Folder to look up on your video. There you have it. You've successfully recorded an on-screen content video and rendered it to MP4. Your content is now ready to be uploaded and shared across multiple platforms.